Morning, guys. It is 10 o'clock in the morning, and I've decided to do my bike check for the downhill bike. So, I've had to do it inside today 'cause it's absolutely, well, give you a little tour outside. It is shucking it down. So, God. So, get on with it. I'm running Spank Spikes 28 race wheels. They're only about 3 months old. They got the Spank Spoon hubs in there. The EXO Magic Marys, the Schwabble Magic Marys, the snakeskin ones, just in case I wanted to run tubeless. They're absolutely amazing tyres. I properly rate them. I've never ridden them before. Got them on this, and they stick to anything. I rode them in the drive, ridden them in the wet. The only thing I didn't like was these are the downhill ones, which mean they're like soft rubber. So as you can see already, these are like 3 rides old, and they are tearing up already. And I've ridden them Revolution Bike Park in Wales, Llangollen in Wales, and I believe Farmer John's in Stockport. So I don't ride it on the road, just because I've got an enduro bike for that. So yeah, they do. They are good. They are good tyres. They're a bit expensive for the money. I think they're like 50 quid a tyre, but they do the job. So you gotta have them. I'm also running a Mud Hugger front mudguard. I'm going to be doing a review on that because I got it through Riders Company. Absolutely awesome mudguard. I have had, well, we did Llangollen. You'll see from one of the playlists on the StewsLife playlist. We did Llangollen in the absolute pouring rain, and for the most part, it kept the mud out of my eyes and it kept me dry. So, a really good job by Mud Hugger there. I'm running the RockShox RC Boxer forks. Focus. And they are absolutely amazing. I bought those because I didn't have the money at the time to buy the teams with the charger damper in, so I got those, and you can actually fit the charge damper later on for like extra 100 quid. So that's going to be happening. I've got a Renthal Integra stem, I think it is, with Renthal fat bars, 38mm wide, rise, 780 rise. Troy Lee Designs grips, all the gearing and the derailleur and everything is Shimano Z. All the cables are internally routed through this. What else? E13, I think it's the Hive, bash guard and chain device. Shimano Z old cranks, because that's all I had at the moment. And some Shimano pedals that are pretty much dead now. I need to get some new ones. Shimano again, Integra cassette on the back. RockShox Vivid. Rear shock with 450 spring, I think it is. I'm going to get a 500. It's a bit light. I weigh about 12.5 stone, 12 stone, somewhere around there. And it's really good, but I like my bike kind of stiff and solid and very much sort of hard pack as I can. So I'm going to change that up to like a 500, I think. Running the SDG Bel Air seat, really good again. I think that's about it. I got this off one of the MS Mondraker Team World Cup riders, so you won't get all this sort of detailing. It's all their sort of sponsorship, what deal they had going on this year. So yeah, it's not a one-off frame, but there isn't that many of them, so it's kind of a little bit special to me. And then Shimano floating rotors. I think I finished it off. That's it. And then I've got this little mudguard down there that isn't standard. It came on the bike from a good friend. And it just keeps all the mud away from the shock. So it's a nice little feature you got in there. It's kind of quite good. And I think that's about it. And that is my 2015 Mondraker Summum bike check. if you want to see more videos like this, remember hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up for the video, and I will make more bike videos. I might do a BMX check next and a couple others. But yeah, that's that for now. See you later, guys. Bye.